What if I invited you on a journey that no human has ever experienced? It could be the greatest adventure of your life, but the price might be the rest of it. We'll begin our journey at the closest planet to the Sun and travel all the way to the most distant planet in our solar system. Every kilometer will take us farther from everything we've ever known. Some of these worlds look beautiful until you get close enough to understand them. Strap in. Our journey starts now. Our first destination is Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. From here, the Sun doesn't look the way it does from Earth. It appears nearly 3 times larger in the sky. At first glance, Mercury looks silent, empty, almost harmless. But the moment you step onto its surface, reality hits you. Daytime temperatures can reach nearly 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt metals like lead. But when night falls, temperatures can drop to nearly minus 180 degrees Celsius. On Mercury, every single day lasts 6 months. Mercury has almost no atmosphere. Nothing shields its surface from the sun, and nothing keeps it warm when darkness takes over. And this is only our first stop. Our next destination is Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system. From space, Venus looks beautiful, hidden beneath a bright layer of clouds. But beneath those clouds lies one of the most unforgiving worlds in the solar system. Its thick atmosphere traps heat like a giant greenhouse, making Venus hotter than Mercury. The surface temperature reaches about 465 degrees Celsius. But heat is not the only danger. The pressure on the surface is nearly 90 times stronger than Earth's atmosphere. Even spacecraft built for Venus survived only a short time before falling silent forever. Venus may look like Earth's twin from afar, but up close it is one of the most hostile worlds in our solar system. And now, we continue our journey toward the next world. Our next destination is Mars, the planet humans dream of reaching. At first glance, Mars looks like a quiet desert world, but its surface hides extreme challenges. The air here is so thin that you couldn't breathe, even for a single second. Temperatures can fall below minus 100 degrees Celsius, turning the surface into a frozen desert. And then come the dust storms, some so massive they can cover almost the entire planet. Mars is also home to Olympus Mons, a volcano so massive that it rises nearly 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Mars may become our second home one day, but today it remains a world where every mistake can be fatal. Our journey isn't over yet. An even greater giant awaits us. Our next destination is Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. It's so massive that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. But there's one problem. You can never truly land on it. Jupiter has no solid ground, only endless layers of clouds stretching deeper and deeper. As you descend, powerful winds race around you, faster than the strongest hurricanes on Earth. Then you reach the Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth that has been raging for centuries. The deeper you go, the pressure becomes so intense that no spacecraft could survive. Deeper still, hydrogen begins behaving like a liquid metal under unimaginable pressure. By now, surviving is no longer possible. Only Jupiter's immense gravity keeps pulling you deeper. We leave Jupiter behind and continue toward the most breathtaking planet in our journey. Our next destination is Saturn, the most breathtaking planet in our journey. From millions of kilometers away, its magnificent rings already dominate the darkness of space. But those rings aren't solid at all. They're made of billions of pieces of ice and rock. Some of these icy pieces are as small as grains of sand, while others are as large as entire mountains. Flying through Saturn's rings would be one of the most breathtaking sights in the solar system, but also one of the most dangerous. Surprisingly, Saturn is so light that if there were an ocean large enough, it would float on water. Beneath the beauty of its rings, Saturn hides powerful storms and fierce winds moving at incredible speeds. Behind its breathtaking beauty, Saturn hides a world as dangerous as it is magnificent. Our journey continues toward one of the strangest planets ever discovered. Our next destination is Uranus, one of the strangest planets in the solar system. Unlike every planet we've visited, Uranus rotates on its side. This incredible tilt makes each day and night last for about 42 Earth years. At this distance from the Sun, daylight on Uranus is far weaker than anything we experience on Earth. Temperatures here can drop below -220 degrees Celsius, making Uranus one of the coldest planets in the solar system. Hidden beneath its calm appearance, powerful winds race through its atmosphere. Even after all these years, Uranus remains one of the least explored worlds we've ever discovered. Our journey is almost complete, but one final world still awaits us. Our final destination is Neptune, the farthest planet in the solar system. More than 4 billion kilometers from the Sun, Neptune exists in a world of darkness and extreme cold. Its deep blue color makes Neptune look peaceful, but this distant world hides many mysteries. Orbiting Neptune is Triton, a strange moon with icy landscapes and geysers erupting into space. Unlike the worlds we've explored before, Neptune has only been visited once by a spacecraft. After traveling billions of kilometers, Voyager 2 gave humanity its first and only close look at this distant planet. Now, our journey through the solar system has reached its final destination. After crossing the entire solar system, our journey finally comes to an end. We visited worlds where a single step would mean instant death, places covered by endless storms, crushing pressure, unbearable heat, or eternal cold. But after seeing every planet, one question still remains. Was there even a single place where a human could simply live? The answer was right in front of us, from the very beginning. The only world where you don't need a spacesuit to breathe, where you don't have to fight the planet just to stay alive, is the tiny blue dot we've always called home.